So in this session, we are focusing on the centrality of the learner in the CBC. So the CBC emphasizes that learners are not passive receivers of knowledge, but active participants in their education. The shift from using the word student to learner reflects this kind of change. So as teachers, our role is to create opportunities for learners to explore, discover, and take control of their learning. So the competence-based curriculum shifts from rote memorization to active learning. Learners must think, analyze, and solve problems. Take the example in geography. Instead of only describing soil types, learners collect samples, test them, and conclude which supports the one which supports crops better. So this may be in biology, it may be in agriculture, in any subject. We try to see how this works. So from knowledge transmission to active learning. Learners think for themselves, the learners draw conclusions, they solve problems, and even make judgments. So you as a teacher, your role remains that of basically one who is motivating and creating a conducive environment so that discussions and other elements of learning can take place. Now let's look at experiential learning and deeper learning. So experiential learning ensures deeper understanding. For instance, in mathematics, learners may collect data from the school canteen, they plot graphs, and analyze profits. This approach goes beyond memorization, ensuring learners apply knowledge in real contexts. So learning is active, it's not passive. Learners engage with the pictures, whichever pictures there, they really make value out of it. They engage with diagrams, statistics, texts, and they apply to real life world situations. Now, we now look at the real world engagement. The CBC encourages learners to interact with real world tasks. Agriculture lessons involve hands-on planting. Science requires practical water purification. Geography may require learners to connect with their community by interviewing elders and all about the past. The same can apply in history. So we need to see really how we can make this one the order of the day in the teaching and learning process. Now, when it comes to teachers' role, teachers are now facilitators. Instead of providing all answers, they guide learners. For example, in CRE, ask learners about examples of honesty in their communities, then connect this response to curriculum content. This makes learning more relevant and engaging. But there are also benefits of learner-centered approach. Placing the learner at the center develops autonomy, critical thinking, and creativity. It prepares learners for lifelong and ensures education is meaningful, practical, and empowering. So those four: learner autonomy, critical thinking, creativity and innovation, lifelong learning are the key benefits of learner